If the area of a rectangle is 40 centimeters squared and one side is 8 centimeters, find its perimeter. One side of this rectangle is given and the area is also given. Then what about the second side of it? We don't know what it is. And mind you, this side that is given, we are not told whether it is the length or the breadth. So since we don't know whether it is the length or the breadth that has this 8 centimeters, I want us to make use of other letters to describe the length and the breadth. All right, from the formula we have that area of a rectangle is length times breadth. But in this particular case, I will be making use of C and D. That is C times D, since we don't know whether this is length or breadth. All right, now substituting, we need to make one of these the subject of the formula. By so doing, what do we do? A is equal to C times D gives us what? CD. So let us make C the subject of the formula. By so doing, we'll divide both sides by C so that C can cancel C and leave us with D. Therefore, A over C is equal to D. Now, D is the second side of this rectangle. Let us substitute the formula. A, which is the area, is 40 centimeters all over. C, which is the one side of the rectangle, is equal to D. 8 divides 40 gives us 5. 8 here, 1. Therefore, D is equal to 5 centimeters. All right. Now, having gotten this, we can now see that D is 5 centimeters, which means D is the breadth, because the breadth of a rectangle is always shorter than the length. In other words, we can now call length equal to 8 centimeters and breadth is now equal to what? 5 centimeters. All right, let us now, as we have found the two sides of the rectangle, it can now enable us to find its perimeter. Now, what is the formula for finding the perimeter of a rectangle? The formula for finding the perimeter says P is equal to 2 brackets length plus breadth. The perimeter will now give us 2 brackets. The length is what? 8 centimeters. Plus the breadth is what? 5 centimeters. So P is equal to 2 into 8 plus 5 is 13. And 2 times 13 will now give us 26 centimeters. Do have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.